Eto na. Okay. So, actually, just like what I said, sige, I'll share to you my latest TAG ko kay Bitcoin. Alright, so let's go to Tradingview. So, this is Bitcoin weekly time frame. So, as you can see, we are on an upward channel. Right? It's being held dito sa may banda dito. So, RSI natin is, by the way, it's set to 5. Nag-bounce na siya from this EMA 20. Okay, volume is red candle. We're having a green candle right now. Okay, pero kaka-start pa lang naman ng week. So again, itong nasa gilid na volume is the volume profile. I'll make another tutorial for this. Gamit ko yan. So itong line na to, by the way, itong mga white lines na to, indicator ko lang yan ng key levels. Para lang mabilis ko makita. This is 1 week time frame, weekly time frame. Let's looking at the volume, sell volume. Okay, mataas pa rin. Pero now we're having a green candle, and then RSI is it's moving up na. Galing siya sa oversold. Now let's go to daily time frame. Okay, by the way, naka long ako ngayon. Great, mamaya discuss natin yan. So, selling volume is pababa na, right? Okay, so, as you notice, nag-start ako sa weekly time frame. Revisit lang. Alam ko naman na yung takbo ng weekly. Pero I just need to remind myself because hindi ako nag-memorize. Alright? So, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. Okay? So, kita nyo yung selling volume. Selling volume is pababa na, right? So, kaya nag-entry na ako dyan kanina. And then, nasa support tayo. So, by the way, if hindi nyo ma-visualize yung candlestick, you can change to lines. Ito. So, drop down, then line. So, yan. Pwede nyo siyang star para you can easily switch from candles to line. Okay, so nakita ko ito kanina. So as you can see, from here, yan. Then RSI natin is pataas, which is that's a hidden bullish divergence. Okay. By the way, sa mga nagtatanong bakit ako naka-vertical, masanay ako sa vertical eh. Tsaka, since i-upload ko to sa TikTok, kaya vertical. Tsaka, most of my viewers naman is naka-mobile. So, it will not be an issue kung naka-vertical ako. I'm planning to do TP, siguro one here, one here, and one here. By the way, ito retail trading, it's forming a bearish pennant there. So from here, okay, and then ito, yan. So visualize nyo na lang. So that's forming a bearish pennant. Okay, so visible din yan sa daily. There from top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pagsak yan dito, angat. And then here. Okay, so if this is what will happen, that's a double top. And what is a double top? It's a bearish pattern. It's unlikely that mabutas natin to. It's less likely to reach that. As you can see here, possible na maumpog tayo sa 20k at 22k. 20k is the previous all-time high 4 years ago. Okay, sabihin natin dito. And then dito yung isa around 22 to 23. Yan. So, dyan yung next strong support. Pero kayo mag-alala, itong area dito, medyo mataas naman yung yung area dito. Okay? So, matataas yung volume dyan. So, pag ito, balik tayo sa daily pala. There, 1, 2, 3, For pag ito nabutas nyo yan, gumawa tayo dito ng higher high there, and babalik dito. Yung so that's it for now. Yeah, so that's my long-term scenario. Currently, I'm bullish kay Bitcoin. Sabi ko nga kanina, naka-long position ako. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification icon para maging updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Also, kung wala ka pang trading platform, may sign up link ng BingX sa description box. If meron kayong mga tanong, make sure to comment on the comment section and then give me suggestions on what other contents I should create next.